Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I recovered this damaged lampshade. I bought 3 of these lampshades on Facebook Marketplace only for £10, so it was a bargain. Now I'll show you how to recover this lampshade. First I'm taking measurements of this lampshade. Next, I'll cut a pattern for my lampshade cover. I will add my measurements on this fabric and I'll add extra measurement for the seam allowance. Next, I will secure each edge on this pattern with the overlocking machine. Next, I will pin this fabric pattern on a lampshade. I'm placing this box under the lampshade so I can pin my fabric pattern easily on a lampshade. I'm putting the right side inside in a light lampshade like that, so the wrong side is facing out. And I'm pinning lampshade pattern edges together. This is how it looks after I pinned that pattern on a lampshade. Looks nice and tight. Now I'm removing this pattern off the lampshade. And I'll sew those 2 edges together there. I'll sew straight stitch exactly where the pins are there, and I will leave 1 centimeter open on each edge. This is how it looks after I sewed those edges together, and 1 centimeter on each edge is open. Next, I'm ironing this pattern flat. I left 1 centimeter on each edge open, so it's easy for me to put this new pattern on a lampshade. So now I'll show you how I put this pattern on a lampshade. I'm reversing this pattern to the right side, so the wrong side is inside. And I'll match lampshade seam together with my new pattern seam. So I'm putting them together and I'm putting my new cover on a lampshade. I'm evening out both pattern edges so the edges are same on both sides. I will use E600 glue, which is non-flammable glue, and I will glue edge there and I'll glue edge there. Now I'll show you how I glue these edges down using the E600 glue. I'm applying this glue on the edge. Next, I'm folding this pattern edge down. To secure this pattern edge, I'm using these clips. I'm clipping them down so the glue sticks properly. And I'll repeat same all around this edge and at the edge. I ran out of my big clips, so I'm using these small wooden pegs and I have clipped that edge down all around the lampshade, and I'll leave it to dry overnight so it sticks properly all around the edge, and I'll repeat same on the other side. And here's my finished lampshade. If you have any questions how I recovered this lampshade, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.